Hey, so if Zen Browser suddenly feels sluggish, takes forever to load pages, or freezes while browsing, yeah, there are a few common reasons behind it. The good news is most slow performance problems can be fixed pretty quickly. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Zen Browser slow performance step by step. Alright, first, close Zen Browser completely and reopen it to clear temporary memory issues. Having too many tabs open at once can slow everything down and increase RAM usage. Extensions running in the background are one of the biggest causes of browser slowdowns. Cached files and cookies can become corrupted over time, causing pages to load more slowly. Sometimes the browser isn't the problem at all. Slow internet can also affect page loading speeds. Try disabling hardware acceleration because certain graphics drivers can create lag and stuttering. Make sure Zen Browser is fully updated because performance improvements are included in newer versions. Heavy background apps can use system resources and make the browser feel slower than normal. If the slowdown continues, reinstall Zen Browser completely to reset corrupted settings or files. And yeah, that's it. These fixes should help improve Zen Browser speed and make browsing feel smooth again.